Hi guys, I want to quickly show you guys some of the trades I will be looking at this week, or the pairs I'm watching this week and the zones I'm watching them. So starting from EA, EURAUD, let's begin. So on the H1, for a buy, I'm looking at having a trade or having the pair get to this zone. Yeah, so I'm watching it to get to this zone for a buy. That's it, to buy from this area. And for a sell, if it gets to this area, I'll be looking to sell. So if you watched well, the one commonality that these two expected trades have, both the sell and the buy, is liquidity areas. In other words, I'm looking to see a takeout of liquidity before the buy or the sell. So all these tiny green areas are areas of the liquidity is lying. Same with here. For the sell to have effect, the market has to come and take out this liquidity. And for the buy to be valid, it has to take out this liquidity. It has already taken this one, so I'm expecting it to come and take out this one too. That is, that must have to happen before the trades become valid. They're ready to reach. So here is an area of liquidity. The market has to come from here, take it out, and get to this swing point before I can think of selling. And for also this buy, it has to come here, take out this liquidity, reach out for this liquidity here. It has already taken out this one. And then here will be this green area here will be an area of buy, area of interest for a buy. Yeah, and for this buy, this is H1. So my entry will be on the 5 minutes chart. And this is the kind of a fan I'm looking to have in these areas on the 5 minutes. For a sell, I'm looking to have an M like this one with a break of the neckline. So this is the candle that broke the neckline, this one. This bearish candle here. And this is the neckline that was broken here. So this neckline was broken here, and this retest here makes for a valid entry. And also for this buy, this is the candle that broke this neckline here. This neckline here, and this retracement here makes out for a valid buy. So this is what I'm looking for on the 5 minutes in order for the buy or the sell to become valid on the 5 minutes. So next one is EURNZD. So I'm looking out for a buy here. Yeah, This is my area of interest. So if this market gets to here and gives me a valid entry on the 5 minutes, I will be buying it. And these are the liquidities I'm hoping that it will take out to make this area of interest here a valid interest, area of interest for a buy. And also let's look at here. Yeah, so also here makes for a good buy as well. So either way, if he comes here to this first area, gives a valid buy pattern with a break of neckline, like I showed on the previous chart on the 5 minutes, or it does that here, whichever one makes up for a valid buy. So next is GBPCHF, GF. On the H4, I am looking at having this market get to here. When it gets to here and gives me a valid buy pattern on the 15 minutes now, because this is H4. So I'll be looking to get my valid buy pattern on the 15 minutes. Yeah, if he gives it to me on the 15 minutes, I'll be buying. This is what I mean. On the 15 minutes, to get something like this, a W here. A W here with break of neckline, this neckline being broken by this candle, and that makes for a valid buy. So that's what I'll be looking to get in this zone for me to buy. So GBPNZD, here I'm looking to buy from this zone, and I'm hoping that will come take out this liquidity. Also here makes up for a good buy zone. Yeah, makes up for a good buy zone. Yeah, if it comes around here too and gives a sell pattern, valid sell pattern on the 15 minutes, that's also a valid sell. So either way, these are the liquidities I'm hoping that it will take out for sell in order for this sell here to become valid. It will have to take out these liquidities here. For a buy, I'm hoping that it will take out these liquidities, come here or here for this buy to take effect. But in terms of a better buy zone, better buy area, I prefer here the second buy area, this area here. I prefer it for a buy to this one. So I would prefer this one. So GBP card, I'll be looking out for a sell here, waiting for the market to take out these liquidities here. This liquidity is here, goes to this swing point here, gives me a sold pattern on the 15 minutes, and I will be selling. So let's look out for here. Yeah, so for example, for EURAUD, here is a good sell area on the H4. Looks like it will give something good on the H1. On the H1, a buy can also be taken here, provided it gives a good buy pattern. So for this one, I'm hoping it will take out these liquidities laying around here, goes in here, and makes a good buy. For a buy on the second zone on the H4, I'm hoping that it will take our liquidities around this area, goes into the swing point, and then gives me a valid entry pattern on the 15 minutes, and I'll buy. NZD card. If it comes here on the H4, that will be a very good buy, provided it gives a valid buy pattern. By then it must have taken out all these liquidities laying around here. All these liquidities would have been decimated by then. And let's see H1. It doesn't look very convincing to me. Yeah. So I will stick with the H4 buy on the NZD card, H4. So that's it for this week. I may have to access or reassess the charts and look at other pairs around the midweek to see how the market is going, and if there is a need to make an update, I would. So here is it. Stay safe, trade responsibly, and have a good trading week. Bye.